Hi! In front of me is Realme GT2 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this Realme. You need to start by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Play Store. Now access background apps. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. Finally, click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Split Screen from the list. Now just click on the other one, and as you can see after that, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!